Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money of Cash App. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically in this video, I'm just going through these articles. We can learn more about some ways or some easy ways to get some cash from Cash App. So basically here, we will be able to see that it is possible to make uh, money with Cash App through methods like the referral, bonuses, cashback offers, Bitcoin boost, and participating in sweepstakes. And basically here, let's just go through each uh, thing or each method. So from here, we can see to use your Cash App referral program, you will be needing just to open the Cash App, and then you will need just to go to invite friends or earn option. And basically, you will find this by clicking on your profile, and then you will see these option of referral codes, and then you can share your code and you will get paid a sum of money. It might not be like a huge sum of money, but still you can get some cash from it. Or you can start uh, activating your Cash App boost by going to your Cash App application, and then you will be needing to go to your Cash App card. By clicking on the card, you will need just to go to boost or add a boost, and then you can find the many offers, and then you can choose the one that is convenient or available that you would like. And then you will activate the boost, and then you can start making purchases within your credit card or your Cash App card, and you will be able to get some bonuses. Or you can start earning money with Cash App's cashback offers. And for that, you will need just to log in into your Cash App, and then again, you will need just to go to the Cash Card so you can find all the offers, and from there, you will need to browse to the cash back offers. And from there, you will be able to activate any offer, and it is similar to the referral code or the Cash App boost, and then you choose any offer you like, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.